Your lawn will look dead this winter if you do not do this vital step. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. And here in Phoenix, what happens is all the Bermuda grass is going to go dormant. So for the months of November all the way through February, your grass is going to basically start to yellow and not come back until the following spring, which is usually March. And to prevent this, if you want a green lawn in the winter, we highly recommend getting on the schedule in August, September time, notifying your landscaper, make certain you're on the schedule so that they get the perennial rice seed ordered in time. So the timing of getting your overseeding done is so critical. You really want to start at the very end of September and be complete, installed and everything by around the 15th of October. You can sometimes push till Halloween, but beyond that, it gets much more challenging for the seed to germinate and get a great looking lawn in time for the holidays. You want your grass to look great for Thanksgiving. You really want that grass installed so that your lawn looks absolutely beautiful in time for Thanksgiving. If you have any other questions about this service, please contact us here at AMS Landscaping through our website at azlawns.com. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping. You also check us out on Instagram and Twitter at AZLawns. Make it a great day.